देश का किसान बड़ी उम्मीद करके इनको अगली
आपको
पंचवर्षीय में
लगता है
लाया,
कि सरकार जो बार बार कह रही है कि हम तो हर विषय पे बात करना चाहते हैं, आप क्लॉज बाय क्लॉज बात कर लीजिए, आप हर विषय पे बात करना चाहते हैं, तो सरकार सिंसियर नहीं है?
नहीं, सरकार बात नहीं करती। जब हम वहां जाते हैं तो सरकार इसके लाभ गिनाती है, वो अपनी बात कहनी शुरू कर देते हैं। पंचों की बात सिर माथे, पचनाला वहीं रहेगा, मान ना मान मैं तेरा मेहमान। क्यों? कि किसान ने अब के इनकी पेंशन, वेतन, भत्ता, तनख्वाह ये नहीं मांगी जो उस पूरे आधे देश के बजट को खत्म कर रहे। क्योंकि प्रधानमंत्री के पास किस लिए नहीं है देने के लिए? देश का लगभग पूरा बजट ये मान्यों की पेंशन में, वेतन में, तनख्वाह में है और भत्ता में ही खर्च हो रहा है। ये कुछ छोड़ ही नहीं रहा है माननीय किसान के लिए। किसान को देने के लिए तो इनके पास कुछ है ही नहीं, सिर्फ है भूरा काम।
मास्टर जी, मैं एक मिनट आपको रोकना चाहता हूं। मैं सौरभ भारद्वाज को भी इस बातचीत में लेके आना चाहता हूं। Saurabh, we saw a high-octane drama in the Assembly of Delhi today. The Chief Minister tearing those bills. And if you remember, just a few days back, you were on my show, and I was asking you the same thing. Why isn't the government of Delhi bringing a special session if you are so serious about it? Is there an afterthought that you will look more sincere in the eyes of the farmers, and that is why we saw what we saw in the Assembly today?
Ankit, sometimes it's more important to give a message not just to the central government, to our farmers, that this government and this whole house stands with the farmers, and by passing this resolution with full majority, I think we have sent a very strong message to the central government that this house has rejected these three laws, although it may not have a very legal binding on the central government, but yes, it has a message in a democracy that one state has rejected it, and we believe that this message will reassure our farmers who have already lost 20 of their fellows in this chilling cold. And it is really sad. One life is also so important, but 20 people have died. But the central government and their representatives are so arrogant. There is so much arrogance when they speak that the trust which should have been there between the farmers and the government is missing. The way the central government has asked its MPs and MLAs to go in the public and start advocating these laws shows that there is a lot of malice in their heart. In one way, they are buying time with the farmers, and on the other hand, they are asking their people to push these farm laws, to advocate these farm laws. This is something which creates a trust deficit,
Saurabh,
and this will not get them anything good.
BJP and the Congress party are asking the Aam Aadmi Party today is the fact that in November last year, not only did you notify these laws, you could have done the same thing in November. It only the Aam Aadmi Party now saw an opportunity which possibly gives them an upper hand in the elections of Punjab and elsewhere, that you have gone in for this special session. Why was it that the government notified this or possibly did not take this step of sending out this strong message earlier? And what about 2016 election manifesto of the Aam Aadmi Party in Punjab, where you promised a lot of changes as far as the APMC law is concerned, almost few things which this law also says are equal and parallel to what you were promising in 2016.
Ankit, there are two things. One, that when this law was passed in the parliament, we were never consulted. The people of Delhi were not consulted. The government of Delhi was never consulted. Yes, Congress and its Chief Minister, Mr. Amrinder Singh, was part of the committee. He was consulted. He did have a knowledge that this law is being passed. Second thing, when this law was passed in the Parliament of India, our Member of Parliaments opposed this bill tooth and nail. There are photos and videos available of Mr. Sanjay Singh opposing it, and he got suspended by the Speaker of the House for opposing it. So I think this is a matter of record that we voted against these laws. Now, when these laws are passed by the Parliament and the President gives his assent, no notification is of any value. The state government cannot reject it or accept it. Once passed by the Parliament, they become the law, and they are in action. So while I'm speaking to, I'm still saying that what we did in the Assembly has less legal value, but it has got a lot of sentimental value, especially today when thousands and lakhs of farmers are sitting at our borders and they are looking at us. I think this gives them a lot of reassurance, and this gives a strong message to the BJP.